No, it don't. It's got ketchup on it. Eat him. Come on. Are you getting tired?
No.
You ready to take a nap?
I know.
You yawned?
Uh-huh.
I yawned. What are you eating now? Put it in your mouth and quit before you get choked.
Awesome.
What is that you're eating?
Eggs.
What's on them eggs?
But put it a bus down.
That old refrigerator fixing to go dead. Put it in your mouth. Brianna. Brianna. How old are you now? Brianna. How old are you?
I'm 2.
Are you 2?
Uh-huh.
Are you sure you're not 3?
I'm 3.
You gonna be 3, aren't you?
Uh-huh.
You gonna have a birthday party?
I can't get this.
You got it.
I'm going to jump.
Tell me about Bo.
Bo,
Mhm.
he's coming in our house.
He is.
Uh-huh.
When it gets cold.
Uh-huh.